it is me, market vendor here. Well, listen, first and foremost, Santia Bradshaw, let me tell you, the future in really good hands. You did an outstanding job last night. You spoke with clarity. You spoke with passion. And you spoke with a desire to see this thing behind me. Well done to Santia Bradshaw. Now listen, a friend of mine sent me this here. He says, Market, in 2014, Donald Trump said, if this doctor who so recklessly flew into New York from West Africa has Ebola, then Obama should apologize to the American people and resign. The man right, in 2014, there were 11 cases of Ebola and 2 deaths in the United States of America. And Trump demanded President Obama resign. Today, we have nearly 140,000 cases of coronavirus and 2,400 deaths in the United States. And Mr. Trump insists that he is doing a great job. Well, if that'll bring you a little levity in that thing, well, what loss. Anyhow, listen, you can't leave me here. You got to leave here alone, because he had a special case by himself. But somebody sent me this here, a relative sent me this here out of Birmingham this morning, one of the Brahmins. And he says, I don't know who wrote this, but it's beautiful. And I think it is relevant, people. He says, we fell asleep in one world and woke up in another. Suddenly, Disney is out of magic. Paris is no longer romantic. New York doesn't stand tall anymore. The Chinese wall is no longer a fortress. And Mecca, Golden Temple, and Taj Mahal are empty. Hugs and kisses suddenly become weapons, and not visiting parents and friends becomes an act of love. Suddenly you realize that power, beauty, and money are worthless and can't get you the oxygen you're fighting for. The world continues its life, and it is beautiful. It only puts humans in cages. I think it's sending us a message. The message is, you are not necessary. The air, earth, water, and sky without you are fine. When you come back, remember, you are my guests and not my masters. I think that is profound. You see me, market vendor? I gone for now. Have a blessed and a wonderful day. And listen, remember to stay indoors unless you really have to go out. I gone for now. You have a blessed day. Yeah?